The minute I came to Mariculi, it was a little bit like a home away from home. The fresh air, the calls of nature, really incredible. It's like a dance with nature. You know, you're not a lead dancer. You just gotta follow nature.
Waking up at 3 a.m. in the morning and trying to catch the best view of the sunrise. And guess what? You know, to my surprise, we managed to spot the Milky Ways. I have not seen it my whole life, to be very frank with you, with my naked eye. So this is the first time ever. It's really amazing experience.
We have just finished our nursery activity. We get to get down and dirty to understand from TRCRC, what's the process like. We help the seed to germinate and we provide care for them. And we actually do our best to make sure that they have a very, very nice, healthy environment before they go out and being planted outside in the forest.
So tadi kita dalam perjalanan pergi ke untuk buat tree planting. Dan kita nampak sekumpulan gajah yang sangat banyak dalam 10 ekor macam tu. Mereka berhampiran dekat sebelah sana. Dia blocking kita punya jalan. Kita mau ke sana dan dia mau ke sini, jadi macam di tengah-tengah kan. Rasa macam sangat bertuah jugalah sebab bukan senang nak ada gajah dekat sini. Saya dengar dia kata setiap 6 bulan ya mereka akan datang.
This was a tree I planted a year ago. Unfortunately, it met with misfortune because it decided to have large leaves, only one.
Well, there was another one down there.
And this one struggled to come out. And basically, no more nutrients. And then when
Deer. So what happened is also a
the
deer
Bambi came along.
Yeah, and stripped this bark. Can you see all of it is stripped?
Yeah.
So most likely it's a barking deer, something.
Yeah.
Is it so?
I think one lesson for me that I learned this trip is that you're not just planting one tree, you're planting different trees, you're building an ecosystem. I think in life as well, you can't just be working alone. You gotta work with other people around you to make something, to achieve something. What TRCRC is doing with Zurich here is exactly that. You're working in a team, you're working in a group to build something greater.
Okay, your hand. Look for is basically eye shine. So any kind of nocturnal mammals on the ground, most of the wildlife that you will spot in the forest are mostly nocturnal animals.
Are you ready?
Ready. As ready as I can get, yeah. I've always heard about people doing, this night safari in the Singapore Zoo. This time, so many nocturnal creatures, and of course the most unexpected one, the tarsier monkey. It was clinging to the branch for dear life because petrified by, so many humans and lights around it. Like what Dr. Simon said, he has not seen this species here in all the time he's been here.
Learning about the importance of what we are doing here in Zurich Cares and Mariculi with TRCRC just gave me a different perspective of how we should take care of the Mother Earth.
My first time in Mariculi and it's my first time in Sabah. And I really like to be in nature. The minute I come here, I feel like it's really fresh air. I'm so glad that I'll be part of this.
The mere act of planting a tree has such a profound effect on nature that the biodiversity of life comes back. I'm really happy that we managed to do this. And all because Zurich cares.